Before we start our reputation management course, I want to make sure that you set up your integrations. When you click on settings inside of integrations, this is where we want to connect our Google business profile and our Facebook business profile. You're going to want to have these two connected so that way you can start having the reviews come into the system. When you go to settings and you select reputation management, we're going to be going over reviews AI. We're going to be setting up your review link. We're going to be setting up your review request. We're going to be going over a lot of things, how you can have an overview of what's going on with your reputation, requesting reviews, responding to reviews, and even adding widgets to your website. So let's get started with reputation management. But before we do, make sure you've gone into settings, integrations, and you have attached your Google business profile and your Facebook business profile. We're going to come back to reviews and AI towards the end of this course. The main things that we want to do right now is to get started and make sure that everything is working properly. You want to make sure that if for any reason you do not see your review link here, that you click generate link. When you generate the link, this is going to pull from your Google business profile for requesting that Google business review. Down here towards the bottom, you're going to want to toggle on your SMS review request and your email review request. You can add an image or you can add a message that says, please review us. Here is our link, anything like that to make that SMS more customizable. You're going to want to create a subject line, a heading, and a message. Once you have all of this set up, we're then ready to go into the management. When you log in and you select the reputation tab, over here at the top right, there's a little settings button on your first menu bar. You're going to go to settings. We're going to go to reputation. And this is where we're going to set up to confirm that our review link is live. If you don't see your link here, hit generate link. The other way is to copy that link and paste it so that way you can see that it is live and working on the Google URL profile that takes them right to the link. What I like about this is that the link that's generated will read on mobile and desktop. So generate this link, set up your SMS, set up your email request, and we are ready to go.
Oh, it looks like